Today's tutorial I will share with you how to get a custom channel URL. A custom URL is an easy to remember channel URL that you can share with your audience. From the left menu, select Customization. Basic info. To create a custom URL for your channel, your account needs to have an uploaded profile and banner image. Be at least 30 days old and have 100 or more subscribers. Under Channel URL, click Set a custom URL for your channel. In the box, you'll see your custom URL. You can add extra letters or numbers to make your custom URL unique. Click Publish. Then click Confirm to confirm your custom URL. Once a custom URL has been set up, you can't change it or transfer the URL to someone else. When sharing your custom URL, you can use whatever capitalization and accents you'd like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.